What is up, guys? Today we have unboxing Bambu Lab P1 series 3D printer here. So actually it's quite heavy, but let's unbox it, check it out, the first impression. And next video I will show you how to use it and what you can do with this. So firstly, let's see what you have in the box. So the package is really like high quality because device is not that cheap. It's cost around $500. So how to open it up, we should know or find a way. I guess you should unstick this first, or just to cut it here, it's fixed with I guess we need some scissors here to unbox it. So let's do it. Okay, how to take it out? Actually need to check, really, they have the QR code here, how to unbox it. So I guess that's why they make it, because it's not really clear how to unbox it. So let me scan QR code, check the video. It shows that I should drag all the paper here. So let's cut it first and drag it out. Now put all the power. Actually, it's not that simple. Let me try. Okay, be really careful. So nothing more in the boxes for now. So let's keep it like this. Okay, some cable here. So many things. Bambu Lab. Okay, quite nice and big. I guess all these accessories are inside. You have some manual here. So let's firstly check the manual. Bambu P1S. Here we go. Have some stickers here. And the manual. This is opening part. Okay, plastic. Then inside you have all the other things that you need for printing. So you have this accessories box. I guess if you first time just bought the 3D printer, you need some time to get used to it, especially to this first unboxing, because for me right now it's quite difficult to understand what to do, but step by step you will learn. So let's open. Actually there is plastic here, green one, by default, small, but for free. It's 200 gram, I guess it's just for testing purpose, but it's good to have it also. Let's see what else we have. Some screen, where to connect it we will find out. So that's a screen, and many other things. I don't know why I need them. So now we will check this guidance, how to do it, and follow it closely step by step. So let's do it very carefully. Okay. Okay, it's open. This thing also have other protection here. Let's put everything together. What's here, I don't know. Okay, let's see what else we have in the box. So we have this thing here, cable, have some metal thing that you will install in the back. I will show you later. Disclaimer and safety guidance. I don't know what this, but something. Screen I showed you before. And also I have some small box here with some small accessories. It's many things here. But now we need to know which one we need. I don't know for which purpose all the things used, but some screws for extruder. I don't know what this guy is, so firstly you need to unscrew some screws here inside, some protection screws, how they call it. So we need to install the spool holder. Spool holder is located on the side, on the back side, I guess. Okay, somewhere here we have this is the spool holder, right? So first you need to unscrew one thing here. Okay. Maybe use some other screw. Let's see. Okay, here are some other screw for a spool holder. Luckily they put the stickers everywhere, so you can easily differentiate which screw you need and where to find it. The next step, power cable. Power cable here. Actually, quality is high, I can see. Okay, power cable. Power cable done. Okay, I put it on the table. Let's move on to unbox it, to make it ready. Okay, door is opening, good sign. Okay, how to put the thing off. Okay, it's going, moving. Still stuck somewhere, but that's the right way how to do it. Okay, it's done finally. The door is ready. Let's move on with other parts. Okay, quite high quality, let's say. Okay, after this it's written time to power on. So let's try to power on now. You can select the region, then you need to download the QR code to configure Wi-Fi, so let's do it. Okay, so I'm connecting to the app, I scan the QR code, created account, now it's asking for Wi-Fi, only supports Wi-Fi 2.4, so I will attach my 2.4 Wi-Fi, taking some time, so it works. First it's connected by Bluetooth to your phone, then it's transferred Wi-Fi data to it, so it can connect directly to the Wi-Fi. Okay, finally let's run the calibration routine to check the status of your printer. Okay, let's click start, I guess. Okay, now it will take around 30 minutes to test all of this, so start calibration here. Okay, so start working, making some strange sound. I think it's fine, but need to wait. Okay, so calibration complete, your printer is ready, enjoy printing, click finish. We need your help to improve printing. Everyone scan code full on more. Okay, skip. Okay, so now you have a main menu, settings. So I will spend some time to learn it, and I will be back in a full review. I will show everything about this printer, how it works, how it looks like, what are technical characteristics. In this unboxing, that's pretty much it. Already you see new firmware available. Now I will do it. Okay, just to add last steps, here we have this cable, actually the plastic. So actually it's connected from this side. I put it all around inside. You see it's fit until it stops. So now it stopped, everything smoothly here. Thank you for watching, put the thumbs up and see you next time.